the speed of the hydrated lime ball pressing machine is too fast and too slow will affect the quality of the ball. It does not mean that the output of the hydrated lime ball pressing machine is fixed. The answer is not necessarily obvious, because we said above that the influence of the speed of the ball pressing machine is other ball pressing machine parameters unchanged, and it is not impossible to increase the output by increasing the speed. One is to ensure the material conditions to increase the output by increasing the rotational speed. The first thing to do is to ensure the adaptability of the material to rapid prototyping, such as whether the binder content can be increased. The second is to increase the pressure of the ball press. At the same time of increasing the speed, we can increase the pressure of the hydrated lime ball press accordingly. 3 is to ensure sufficient feeding. If you want to improve the speed and pressure of the way and method to increase production, you need to ensure sufficient feeding at the same time.